Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to automate the Relevance AI to respond to customer queries all on autopilot. No coding needed, just a few simple steps. First, head over to your Relevance AI dashboard. Find your personal assistant like the customer queries handler agent and click clone. This gives you a ready-made assistant. You can customize it. Here we are in the task tab. Enter your task prompt, something like that. A customer has sent a question via email. Please verify if its question and end state message are unclear and respond accordingly. Next, go to the build tab. This is where the magic happens. Now follow these simple steps. In the prompt section, change any tool named like personal assistant. Head to the trigger tab and connect your Gmail account. This lets your assistant send email for you. Now you can add your data in the tool sections like send clarifying message, send clarification request to customer when more information is needed. Here put send feedback, send email form, send final response, send final resolution email to customer once queries is resolved, verify question and answer, review and confirm the correctness of customer's question and answer. To help the assistant find answers, create a knowledge table. Make sure to enter at least one sample question and answer row. This is how your assistant learns and improve over time. If it's a question, it tries to find matching answer from your knowledge base and replies automatically. If not found, it will escalate to you, and also you can set it as you're required. And there you have it. You just automated your Relevance AI assistant to handle emails 24 hours. If you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.